Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set the 24-hour or the 12-hour time format on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you want to change the time format of your iPhone, first of all, just go to Settings, then tap on General. From here, you will find the option of Date and Time. Just tap on it, and over here you will find the option to enable 24-hour time format. Now, if you enable this toggle, you will change the time format from 12 hours to 24 hour, just like that. And if you disable this toggle, you will disable the 24-hour time format and you will enable the AM and PM 12-hour format, just like that. And this is how you can set the 24-hour or the 12-hour time format on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.